guys, how are you? How are you doing? This is Shocks and this is ShocksCapital FX YouTube channel, right? So today I want to talk about a strategy that I'm using to trade Nasdaq, right? So today we are going to learn how you can also use the same strategy. So number one, you put an indicator on the trading view, just type sessions here. We're going to be trading the New York session, right? So you're going to be trading the New York session and you're going to be using this one, sessions on chart, right? So if you click on sessions on chart, the indicator will show on your trading view chart. So this is the M5 NAS 100 chart. So what you are going to do is you are going to be trading the New York session, and we are going to be looking at the London session and the New York session. So what you are going to be doing here is the blue one that you see here first is the Asian session, then this one, the gray one, I'm not sure about the colors, but the gray one, this in between here is the London session, and the pink one is the New York session. So what we are going to be doing is we're going to be marking the highs and the lows in the London session. So this is the low and this is the high. So what are we going to wait for? We're going to be using two different models, right? Number one, we're going to be using the ICT Judas swing that you know, right, to trade this Nasdaq index, right? So what you are going to be doing is you are going to be trading and you're going to be waiting for price to break one of these, either the high or the low. When it breaks a high like that, we are waiting for a break of a structure, then we enter as soon as a structure breaks. Do you understand what I was saying? I'll link in the top corners, right, the video on break of structure, so that you guys can understand what a break of structure is. So what we are seeing here is this. Here we have we have a break above the London high. Then what happens? Price breaks this low right here, breaks that low. And what are we going to do? We're going to enter our trade and target the next the next low, like that. So we're going to be entering our trade like this just after the break, and our stop loss is going above, and our TP is going to the next to the next high, or to the next low, depending on where we are going. So that's it for that day. Then you come on this day, right? What are we going to do? We are marking your London high and London low. So after marking these two prices, what are you going to wait for? You're going to wait for a break above, right? A break above any of those. So price breaks the London high, as you can see in this in this picture. What are you going to do? You're going to mark your break structure. If you are seeing what I'm saying, you can clearly see that this was the break of structure right at the high when price was going down. So what you are just going to do is you're just going to execute just at the close of the candle that breaks the high, and you are going for the next for the next low, and the next low is this one, or that one. So we wouldn't use this one because we have this low that you can see here. So this is how you get your trade, and this is how you enter your trade. Let's just look at some more examples so that we kind of understand what this strategy is all about. So we have a break of structure. Sorry, we have we have a high. This is the London high. Then we have the London the London low. So what are we waiting for? We're waiting for a break above the London high or the London low inside the New York session. And as you can see here, this break that happened is towards the end of the New York session. Remember, if you are using Central African time or GMT +2, you would want to enter these trades from 4 p.m. to around 10 p.m. If it gets to around 10 p.m. without you getting a trade, it means you have missed that trade for that particular day, right? So let's go to another one. So this is today, right? If you are watching this video on the 8th of August, this is today, right? So that's what I mean. So what we are going to do here is very simple. We are going to be marking the London high and the London low, and see how price are reacted to those prices. So from what you are seeing here, the time on my end is 7:30 right now. So this price is actually in motion. Price is actually moving, and it did not break any of these two prices, the high or the low. We are right in the New York session here, and we don't have any break. So it means we don't have any trade on that particular pair. So guys, let me know if you enjoyed this video. I will be happy to do an in-depth strategy trading this particular index, the Nasdaq index, right? So if you don't have any broker, or if you don't know how to be trading this, I have my links in the description down below for the best broker in Africa, which is Quick Trade. So it doesn't matter if you're in the UK, in the USA, in Africa, wherever you are, you can get an account with this broker and you can be trading Nasdaq on a daily basis with this strategy that I have just shown you. You just have to be in front of your chart from 4 to 10 and get your trades as the price moves. So this is what I wanted to show you. I hope it was helpful. I will be happy to see you in the next video explaining more strategies on Nasdaq. See you guys in the next video. I'm Shocks. I'm out.